2, we need to solve the two linear equations simultaneously using the elimination method. So therefore, we need to label that as equation 1, equation 2. So I've just rearranged the equation to look like this. So we always have x and y first, x and y, x and y. And therefore, we have the numbers here. So what I've done is take the 9x, 9 over 5x to the other side, and taking this one first, and then that second, and then taking the plus 10 to the other side. So that's how we get that. Now I need to eliminate y or x. If I'm eliminating y, I have to make the coefficient the same. The magnitude of the coefficient will be the same. If I'm eliminating x, I will make the magnitude of the coefficient the same. And therefore, but now I'm going to choose y to be eliminated. To eliminate y, I need to times the equation, first equation by 3 over 5. And I need to times the second equation by 3 over 4. After doing the multiplication, I now get minus 27 over 5x plus 9 over 20y equals minus 6. That's 30 divided by 5. And I got 9 over 8x minus 9 over 20y equals minus 15 over 4. That's minus 30 over 4. This is now minus 15 over 2. Now I can label this equation here as equation 3, and that one to be equation 4. Then I need to draw a line here, and in order to eliminate now, so I need to add. The reason why I'm adding is because this is plus 9 over 20y plus minus 9 over 20y will be 0. Now, all I need to do now is say minus 27 over 25x plus 9 over 8x will give me 9 over 200x plus 9 over 20y plus minus 9 over 20y will be 0, minus 6 plus minus 15 over 2 is minus 27 over 2. Now to find x, x will then become minus 27 times 200 over 2 times 9. As you can see, 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here 100, 9 goes here 1, 9 goes here 3, and the answer will be minus 300. I need to substitute x equals to 300 into equation 1 or equation 2. But I chose equation 1 because it's easier. I put x equals to minus 300, which is here. That's 9 times minus 300 over 5 minus 10 minus 540 minus 10, 550. Minus 550 to get y, therefore y equals minus 550 times 4 is minus 2200, and you divide it by 3, and that's y. So the coordinate point where they intercept, the x value equals minus 300, and the y value equals minus 2200 over 3. Okay, this is a two linear equation that we're given to solve simultaneously. Obviously, we need to rearrange it to have x column and y column. And so what we need to do is to make sure we have the x first and the y, and then x and the y. Now we're going to use calculator to solve this. Here's the calculator. This is a recommended calculator for A-level and GCSE actually, and A-level. To start, you need to go to Setup, go to menu, setup, and you can go and press arrow back or forward to get to A. This point is 1, but you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then A, B, C. Or you can go back this way to go to C, B, A. So that's quicker. And then you press equal sign. Now, because we're doing simultaneous equations, you press 1. Now we're doing 2 by 2 columns for variable. So you press select 2. Now you need to input the x value. So this is minus 9 over 5. So you press minus 9 fraction 5. Press equal sign. Now for b, you press 3 fraction 4 equal sign. And then you go minus 10. So you press minus 10 equal sign. Next one is 3 over 2. So you press 3 fraction 2 equals, and then minus 3 over 5. You can press minus 3 fraction 5. And then the next, press equals. Now the next, and then you want to put minus 10 for the last number here. So minus 10. Then the next value you're going to put is going to be if you press equal sign now, it will give you the x value. So that's your x equals minus 300. And then the next equal sign that you press will be your y value. And your y equals minus 2200 over 3. And that's how you use calculator to check. To come out of this, if you want to do another one, you can go to press AC. It will take you back and you can enter another simultaneous equation. To come out of there, you press Shift 9. That's reset. Then you have to press 3 for initialize, equal, and then AC. That takes you out of that function.